Hey guys, welcome to your March instalment of all the latest news and launches from your favourite trading apps in the UK. Last month, Moneybox announced that their interest rate on available cash in your stocks and shares ISA, which is basically any cash you haven't yet invested, was going up to 3%. This month, they're sweetening the pot even further, bumping that interest rate up to 3.25%. If you head to the Discover section in your Freetrade app, you'll find a brand new section featuring a bunch of investments in the AI and robotics sectors. Despite being one of the newer apps on the UK market, CMC Invest is the gift that keeps on giving with update after update. This month, CMC Invest announced it has just added over 150 new stocks to their Plus plan. Plus is CMC Invest's current paid-for premium account, which will set you back £10 a month and includes a stocks and shares ISA. More exciting news from the AI sector as the robots have finally taken over eToro. Well, kind of. The investment app has recently launched its Investor AI Smart Portfolio, which uses artificial intelligence to curate the smart portfolio, as well as generate useful insights for investors. Every month, we'll be bringing you the latest updates on all of your favourite trading apps. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out. To see our roundup of the best trading apps in the UK at the moment, visit finder.com by clicking this link up here. Until next time, thanks for watching.